In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a student calendar in Notion to keep track of classes, assignments, exams, and other important events. Let's get started. Open Notion and create a new page. Click Templates in the sidebar and search for Student Planner or Student Dashboard. Choose a template that includes a calendar or create a new database and select the calendar view. Add your classes, assignment deadlines, exams, and campus events as calendar entries. Include details such as due dates, subjects, locations, and notes. Customize your calendar by adding properties like course, priority, status, or assignment type. You can also use color-coded tags to organize different subjects or activities. Create additional views if needed, such as a table for assignments or a board grouped by status, so you can easily manage your workload throughout the semester. Keep your calendar updated by adding new deadlines and marking completed tasks to stay organized and on top of your studies. That's how to create a calendar for student life in Notion. Thanks for watching.